Unleash your cinematic vision and craft professional quality videos from the ground up with Higgsfield. Let's dive straight into creating your next masterpiece. First, launch Higgsfield and initiate a new project. You'll be prompted to name your project and select your preferred video settings, like resolution and frame rate, ensuring your content looks its absolute best. Next, it's time to populate your project with your raw materials. Simply drag and drop your video clips, stunning photographs, and captivating audio files directly into the Higgsfield media bin. You can organize them into folders for easy access later. Now, the magic happens on the timeline. Drag your imported clips onto the timeline, arrange them in your desired sequence, and use the trimming tools to refine the start and end points of each shot. You can also overlap clips to create smooth transitions or picture-in-picture effects. Elevate your storytelling with Higgsfield's built-in special effects. Explore a range of options, from color grading to enhance the mood of your footage, to subtle animation and visual overlays that add polish and professional flair. Experiment to find what truly brings your vision to life. Sound is crucial. Use the intuitive audio mixer to balance your dialogue, music, and sound effects. You can adjust volume levels, add fades, and even apply basic audio enhancements to ensure your soundtrack is as impactful as your visuals. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Navigate to the export section, choose your desired video format and quality settings, and hit render. Higgsfield will process your project, delivering a high-quality video file ready for upload. And there you have it. Your professional quality video, created from start to finish right within Higgsfield. Happy creating!